kids, welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today we are going to learn Z words together. Are you ready?
Yes, Mom, I am ready.
Awesome. So let's get started. Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.
Z for zoo.
Z for zoo.
Z for zip.
Z for zip.
Z for zookeeper.
Z for zookeeper.
Z for zinnia.
Z for genia.
Z for zebra crossing.
Z for zebra crossing.
Z for zucchini.
Z for zucchini.
Z for zeppelin.
Z for zeppelin.
Z for zippy.
Z for zippy.
Z for Zanny.
Z for Zanny.
Awesome, everyone. These were amazing Z words. Thank you for learning with us today.
Bye bye, friends, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Bye bye, friends.
Bye bye.